In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Hostinger, one of the most popular web hosting services available. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to expand your online presence, this guide will walk you through each step. Let's dive in. First, we need to sign up and log into Hostinger. Head over to their website and click on the Sign Up button. It's a straightforward process where you'll enter your email address and create a password. Remember to choose a strong password to keep your account secure. Once you've filled in the necessary information, you'll receive a confirmation email. Check your inbox, click on the confirmation link, and you're good to go. Now log in using your newly created credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Hostinger H-Panel dashboard. This is where the magic begins. The H-Panel is designed to be user-friendly, offering a variety of features laid out in an intuitive manner. Spend a few moments familiarizing yourself with the dashboard. It's organized into several sections like hosting, domains, emails, and more. You can easily manage everything from here with just a few clicks. After you've explored the dashboard, let's set up your hosting service, domains, and emails. Start by selecting Hosting from the menu. Here you can manage your existing domains or even purchase new ones if you haven't already. If you have a domain, you can link it to your hosting account. Don't forget to set up your business's email addresses through the email section. Having a custom email address is crucial for a professional presence. Next, you have the choice to use either Hostinger's website builder or install a CMS like WordPress for more advanced control. The website builder is a great tool for beginners. It allows you to create professional-looking websites without any coding skills. If you prefer using a CMS, navigate to the website section and choose which platform you want to install. Follow the on-screen instructions, and within minutes, you'll have your website up and running. As your site grows, managing backups, security, and performance settings become vital to ensuring everything runs smoothly. Hostinger makes this easy with automated options in the Files section for backups and a variety of security features available under Security. Regularly update these settings to keep your site in top shape and secure from online threats. Finally, if you ever run into any issues or need additional guidance, don't hesitate to access customer support and resources. Hostinger offers an extensive knowledge base and 24/7 live chat support, staffed by experts ready to assist you with any questions or problems you might face. And there you have it, a complete guide to getting started with Hostinger. With these tools and features at your disposal, you're well on your way to creating and managing an impressive online presence. Thanks for tuning in, and happy hosting!